What's up, y'all? It's your girl Jasmine, and I'm back with another video. In this video, I'll be showing you all how I do a faux highlight quick weave. This quick weave actually looks very natural on her. At the end, it looks literally just like her hair. She has highlights at the top, so she brought an extra pack of pack hair that is in a 613, so we can create these faux highlights to kind of match the top of her hair. And her highlights are only at the top. So, you know, we didn't have to necessarily do all that in the back. We just wanted to recreate, you know, how her leave out looks. So I'm just going to start off with my basic braid down. If you've watched any of my other videos, I pretty much do the same thing on everybody. I will say that because her hair is thicker than most, I did more braids on her than I would on a normal person for a quick weave, because in my opinion, a quick weave is supposed to be quick and you really don't need all those braids. But if the hair is of a thicker texture, you will need some more braids to make sure it's flat. Because if not, your quick weave is going to be bumpy. It's going to be looking like you got a helmet on the back side. But she got a lot of hair. So, I think I used 2.5 bundles plus half a pack from the hair store. So, probably 3 bundles in total to create this very natural looking faux highlight quick weave. Okay, y'all. So, as y'all can see, we are in a different space. We are in a very different space. We are in a smaller room. I am now in a suite. A part of being a business owner is ish be happening, okay? Ish be happening. And if a problem is not taken care of, it will pile up on itself and literally turn into a bigger problem later on. So I had been going back and forth with my landlord at my storefront location for a while about a leak that we had in the ceiling. And y'all, after this Christmas break, literally the day I returned to work from Christmas break, the leak had turned into rain. It was raining in my salon and I had to cancel all my appointments. My landlord at that location didn't seem to care. There was water sitting in a light fixture. Honestly, there were just so many hazards in place and I didn't have the time. Me and my girls, we got to go, okay? So, there's 2 other stylists that work at the Pretty Lounge, if you're not aware. And they rent booths at the Pretty Lounge and they run their business at their booth, of course. And, you know, they're renting booths from me. I got clients coming in here. It's raining from the ceiling. The landlord's like, you know, I'll get to it when I can, basically. And I just couldn't have that. So on that very day, I went and found us somewhere else to be. So I am now back in suites, and the other 2 girls are also in the suites. I moved all of us in the same day. Real boss shit. Excuse my language, but you know, we bossing up. I had to make boss moves that day. I really did, and I came through for me and the other stylists at the shop. So God has blessed us with this space, and I'm excited about what is to come in 2024. I could just feel it. It's gonna be blessings on blessings on blessings this year. So yeah, so I will be trying out a bunch of different angles to record in this space. So let me know if y'all like how it looks. I did try out a few different angles, so you'll see me moving this camera around here shortly, just trying to give y'all different angles of me doing hair. And I actually like this better than being in my storefront location. The storefront definitely brought a lot of I feel like in some aspects I was working harder than I was smarter, because there was a bigger space to tend to, and to be honest with you, I was trying to do it all myself. And that's my problem, y'all. I need to accept help. I need to do better at asking for help and accepting that help. But I was trying to do it all myself, and it just became exhausting. It just became very, very exhausting. And then to have this problem lingering literally over our heads, you know, it was just time. I had been at that location for 3 years. I was able to grow my business in that storefront. I thank God to this day for that space. You know, that space did what it needed to do. So I've only been in this new space for about a week now. And honestly, y'all, I'm telling y'all, I love it. I love being in the suites. I do. I got me a little TV in there. You know, we be watching TV, listening to R&B mixes on YouTube. And everything is just right there. I feel like I've been killing so much extra time in my appointments just by having everything so close together. Literally, I can put you in the shampoo bowl, lift you up, and turn you around to the mirror, and boom. You know, we ain't walking all across the salon. It's just better, guys. It's just better. I think my most favorite thing right now is cleanup time. Because cleaning up my storefront salon, y'all, I would be there for an additional 45 minutes after a client, just trying to clean up that space. Oh my gosh, there was just so much to clean. So much to clean. Constant hair. Sweeping all this floor. I mean, in this little space, I'm coming in here to do hair and go home. And I love it. It's very straight to the point. You come in here, you doing hair, you cleaning up behind yourself, and you out the door. We're not spending all this extra time because it's not that much to clean, you know? So yeah, I'm back at the sweet life. I'm back in the sweet life. So yeah, let me know how y'all like this video. Per usual, make sure you're subscribed to the channel so you can see what's popping at the Pretty Lounge every Sunday. And yeah, there's just so much in tune for the Pretty Lounge. I'm so excited for what's to come this year. And I can't wait to share with you all the things I have up my sleeve. I'm just so excited, and I hope you're excited about 2024 as well. If you like this video, make sure to give me a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, drop them down below. Please let me know how y'all like the view of things from this camera perspective, or these different angles that I'm giving you. I'm still working on like the lighting and stuff, but I think I like this filming better. To me, it looks clearer than when I was in the other space, because my storefront had a lot of windows, and it was that sunlight was just bringing in all kind of extra light on one side, so it was kind of making it uneven. But I was eager to drop this video because this is literally like the first video I filmed in this space, and I wanted to see how the lighting hit and what angles I could get. And yeah, ultimately I wanted to tell y'all, listen, we had to move. So I will probably still be releasing some videos from the old location just because I have them, you know, so eventually I'm gonna have to drop them. But it's all great content. It's all, you know, all the pretty girls at the Pretty Lounge. It's giving you very much, you know, everything you need. So just stay tuned for the rest of this video. I done talked through majority of it, but oh, I will say too, before this is over, I did not like how I curled the hair. It was too curly for what she was going for, so I had to correct the curls. So I did cut it a little bit more and correct the curls at the end of this video, which I filmed it. It's on here. And sometimes that happens. So, you know, just adjust and, you know, do it to the client's liking. This is her first time with me. I wanted her to be satisfied, and I think that I achieved that, because baby, this was looking good. Okay, it was giving very natural quick weave. But thank you all so much for tuning in. As always, I hope you have a blessed week. There will be a new video on Sunday. If you're not yet subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And yeah, thank you so much for tuning in to the Pretty Lounge channel. I will catch you all next week. Peace.